Today we're gonna be making a very delicious creamy pasta, guys. This is the pasta. Right now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to stem it, my bell pepper chopped and clean. So right now we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan to fry our chicken breast. It's already marinated, guys. So right now adding the chicken breast into the pan. So after frying it, you're gonna fry it for a while. After frying it, then you keep it aside. So right now this is my chicken wings. It's already marinated as well. So I'm putting it into my hot air fryer to fry it. Okay, so we're gonna use all these things to cook our delicious pasta, guys. Okay, so right now just stay tuned and watch. I'm gonna prepare this delicious meal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to drop where you're watching us from.
Come join us for the fun. Tune in now, just begun. Fiber TV shining bright every day and every night. Feel the beat, move your feet. Laughter and joy can be beat. Shows and music, plenty more. If Fiber TV open door. If Fiber TV. Now wait there. Entertainment all the way. Now so we day. Dance and do, no time to lose. No darling here, you can't refuse. Smiles and vibes fill the air. Join the fun everywhere. Sing along, feel the song. It's Fiber TV where you belong. Catching vibes, it's so strong. Join the party all day long. It's Fiber TV. Now where you there? Entertainment all the way. Now so we there. It's Fiber TV. Now where you there? Entertainment all the way. Now so we there. Dance and go, no time to lose. No darling here, you can't refuse. Smiles and vibes fill the air. Join the fun everywhere. Sing along, feel the song. It's Fiber TV where you belong. Catching vibes, it's so strong. Join the party all day long. It's Fiber TV. Now where you there? Entertainment all the way. Now so we there. It's Fiber TV. Now where you there? Entertainment all the way. Now so we there. Now where you come join us for the fun. Tune in now, just begun. Fiber TV shining bright every day and every night.
We are done cooking our sauce, guys. You can see how it looks like, very delicious and creamy. So right now I'm gonna add it into our pot, into the pasta. The pasta is already cooked with a little bit of salt. So after adding everything into the pot, the next thing I'm gonna do is just to bring out our chicken wings, our barbecue chicken wings, and add it as well. So we're gonna add it right now. After adding it, the next thing I'm gonna do is just to stir it, okay? Just to stir and make sure that everything is well combined, guys. This food is so delicious, so tantalizing, and the yummicious. Oh my goodness. My husband ate this food. After eating it, he was like, oh, wow, 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 wow. That this is the best recipe so far. That since I've been cooking this particular pasta, this is one of the best. This is the best recipe. The creamy recipe is the best, guys. When you have a visitor or a guest, you will serve them this, and when they eat finish, they will like to be visiting your house all the time, guys. Thank you for watching this.